by Mr. Number 7, Uperio. Ayan. Number 8. 2 points by number 8. Casiano. It's a low pass, but there is ball out of bounds. Barangay Langkalyaf Basketball. Again, this game is brought to you by MPBL Presents Junjun Escobillo Cup in partnership with our video on mayor, Engineer Bernie Palencia. Ayan, there is a traveling according to our referee. Ball position, Bagong Cruising Palkan. Agustin now, bigay sa kanyang kasama, but there is a traveling. Kamali pong stepping ni Mr. Barito of Crossing Palkan. Barangay Langkalyaf Basketball. Casiano now. Oh, may sumabit. Foul number 11, Apito. You are first personal foul. Casiano awarded 2 throws. Unang bitaw. No basket. This game is brought to you by MPBL Presents Junjun Escobillo Cup in partnership with our video on mayor, Engineer Bernie Palencia. Okay, may agawan ng bola. Nakuha. Uperio. Ayun. Uperio pa rin. And sorry. Abalos, rather. Long pass to